So in the first three videos, we talked about DPLA as a portal. In this last video, we're going to talk about it as a platform and a public option. In addition to serving as a content portal for students, teachers, scholars, and the public, DPLA is also a powerful platform that enables new and transformative uses of our digitized cultural heritage. With an application programming interface, API, and maximally open data, DPLA can be used by software developers, researchers, and others to create novel environments for learning, tools for discovery, and engaging apps. Through DPLA's powerful open API, developers from all walks of life can build tools, programs, widgets, plugins, and all kinds of interesting things. An API is a set of routines, protocols, and digital tools for building software applications. An API is a software-to-software interface, not a user interface. With APIs, applications talk to each other without any user knowledge or intervention. A good API makes it easier for a developer to create an application that makes use of a particular set or sets of data, providing all the building blocks needed to integrate into his or her design. A software company, for instance, releases its API to the public so that other developers can design products that are powered by that service. The DPLA app library contains a handful of applications built by independent developers interested in seeing what open cultural heritage data can look like in new and interesting contexts. Some examples include Browse by Color. This app will soon be available on the website. Browse by County. This app uses geocoding so that users can see results, concentration by county. This too will be available in the new website soon. Culture Collage is a simple tool that lets you search DPLA's image archives and view the results in a stream of images. You just keep scrolling to fetch more. Clicking on an image saves it to a scrapbook without losing your position in the stream. This too will be available on the new website soon. If you're looking for a copy of DPLA's data, all the DPLA data repository, and again provided through the API, is available for download. These include standard DPLA fields, as well as the complete record received from the partner. All data brought into DPLA from its partners is normalized in the DPLA Metadata Application Profile, or MAP. Is enriched with useful information such as geospatial data. GeoNames, for instance, is a geographical database containing millions of unique geographical names corresponding to discrete places on the globe. Through enrichments like this, DPLA is making cultural heritage data more useful and relevant to its users. For most of American history, the ability to access materials for free through public libraries has been a central part of our culture, producing generations of avid readers and a knowledgeable, engaged citizenry. When we talk about DPLA as a public option, it underscores DPLA's commitment to open access. DPLA works along with like-minded organizations and individuals to ensure that critical, open intellectual landscape remains vibrant and broad in the face of increasingly restrictive digital options. DPLA seeks to multiply openly accessible materials and to strengthen this public option that libraries represent in their communities. DPLA wants to operate fully within the copyright law. Still, DPLA thinks that there are alternative models out there that can creatively expand our access to important cultural materials. To that end, DPLA works with institutions like Creative Commons, Unglueit, History Harvest, and others, and advocates for a broad and deep open access ecology. DPLA is also a deep supporter of the open culture community, including Open GLAM and GLAM Wiki initiatives. GLAM standing for Galleries, Libraries, Archives, and Museums. Together with partners in Europe and around the world, DPLA has launched rightsstatements.org to help streamline and standardize copyright status. This will make it easier for users to learn how they can reuse content that they find through DPLA and other digital libraries like it. All things considered, DPLA is an ever-growing national network of libraries, archives, museums, and cultural heritage institutions, as well as volunteers, to make a local impact in our communities, strengthened by global reach. If you like what you hear and would like to get involved in DPLA's work, there's a number of ways that educators, librarians, and informed citizens can get involved. Here are a few ways. You can join the email list, connect with other folks who are interested in DPLA. You can attend a DPLA event or sit in on an open DPLA Board of Directors committee call. They are open to the public. If you like to code, you can check out that API, that powerful tool that offers access to the metadata records for all of those cultural heritage items. You can apply to become a community rep. DPLA is always looking for people to spread the word about this DPLA portal platform and the mission to expand the realm of open access materials. If you want to get more deeply involved as a community rep, you can always visit the community reps page. You can donate to DPLA. It is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. And lastly, if you are interested in contributing content to DPLA, please check out the Become a Hub section of the DPLA website. There you can find more information on how to determine whether your institution, library, gallery, or art museum might be a potential service or content hub. It will also offer contact information for DPL staff who can offer to help answer questions and provide some guidance. A couple of additional projects that might be of interest to, again, librarians, educators, and lifelong learners are the Open eBooks, DPLA Exchange, and Community Conversations. Open eBooks is an app containing thousands of popular and award-winning titles that are free for kids from in-need communities. DPLA is a partner in the Open eBooks initiative, the partners being New York Public Library, First Book, and educational technology company Clever. They offer content support with Baker and Taylor. You can learn more about Open eBooks at openebooks.net or by visiting the eBooks page of DPLA's site. DPLA Exchange is a marketplace aimed at improving libraries' access to broad selection of open licensed ebook materials. Community Conversation is their work on open ebooks and DPLA Exchange, where they facilitate ongoing discussions about ebooks and with future partners, such as Readers First, the ACLA Consortial Ebook Interest Group, and ALA's Digital Content Working Group. DPLA also supports New York Public Library's work towards a national digital platform that allows libraries to control the e-content experience, such as Simply E for consortia. So knowing all this about DPLA, I encourage you to explore. It is a portal, a platform, and a public option for you, and hopefully it will continue to grow based on community hubs, community work, and service in the public good. All right, good luck exploring.